Alright, so it's Friday night. We're out here pulling the heads on the 5.3 in the Blazer. We've already drained the block. And of course, just like every time you drain a block, half of it's on the floor and half of it's in the catch pan. So we're going to take the rest of this stuff off. My daughter's not happy. We're going to get the rest of this stuff stripped off. We're going to have it put it over here in these nice silicone tool trays. Keep everything where it needs to be so we can put it back together pretty easily. We're going to do a few things like the regular old cardboard trick to keep the push rods and everything where they're supposed to be, and then we're going to break the heads down, wire wheel them, and send them off to the shop to get them loaded into the new heads and get the valves ground and get all that stuff done so we go back together ready to rock. That was perfect timing on the video. I want people to feel like they're just hanging out with us, because that video was the best. Should probably put a blanket over my fenders so I don't ding my own fender.
Yeah, it's like you yelled at somebody last time for doing that.
I didn't yell. I kept my cool, and I did not miss. What fender is it? It's the other fender.
You know the difference?
Dude, just take one off. You don't need to take them both off.
No, safety. We must take that battery off.
What's the point of safety?
So that way when you take that alternator off, that thing's not grounding out to your block and makes a big old spark show.
What are you smoking? I have never had this happen. You must work with some ghetto stuff.
Yeah, all your stuff.
We've never blown up, we've never melted ECU.
Yeah.
That I know of.
I've melted one.
I did have lots of tempting thoughts. I saw a bunch of LSs for stupid cheap that had 243 heads. And I was like, you know what I could do? I could just buy this whole motor. So the battery's probably dead.
I think I'm gonna have to replace my transmission. Not soon.
In that truck?
So it pulls great. It doesn't slip or anything, but that whine is god awful, and I know it's coming from the torque converter now.
Hey, I used to have a torque conversion. I don't know where I put it.
I don't want one out of your 4L60 week.
Well, that's what you got. What do you have? A 4L80?
Yeah, dude, it's a big boy truck.
Oh, is that right? You gonna go shift kit in it?
Huh? God no. After riding this thing.
I don't know whose truck that is, but that's
It's that stupid Camaro.
Is it?
Yeah. I saw him
He
Dalton.
feels threatened. He feels threatened because Dolby's Mustang's outside.
I'll go line up with him.
Didn't y'all like complain about this kid or something?
Nope. I complained about him, but not to the.
I thought that was the guy with the Challenger.
Did he feel challenged?
Yeah.
A little bit.
I'll take the bracket off.
That's how you break your wrists.
Press card.
Yeah, my mate, especially gold card. Me and my wife are gonna retire in Florida. Well, that's not happening anymore.
I go to all the local cars and coffee meets every single day.
They're great. I walk into this cars and coffee meets and I say, you know what? What a great cars and coffee meet.
I get a Corvette, man. And I sit there with my stock build sheet and my blue fold-out lawn chair from Walmart
You know what's way cooler?
with my little straw hat. Oh,
A 3rd gen Camaro
with the Corvette motor in it.
with T-tops.
Just lay it over here. I think just lay it over here. Be fine.
Well, let's disconnect this so we don't rip it off.
Man, you are so overrated.
I'm not overrated. You want to rip this thing off here? Just
I don't.
rip it off.
I don't, because then I have
Yeah.
to get Bert the Ellis Mancofer to redo it.
Yeah, Bert the Ellis Mancofer is
You won't be
brought
happy.
out for dire situations.
He won't be happy if I tell him I ripped it off trying to go fast.
When's he gonna make a special guest appearance here?
I told him we were tearing this down, so he could just pop by.
Bert the Ellis Mancofer.
How does Birdman feel about the limelight?
I have solenoids wrong with my truck. It was a bad battery cable from sitting in your moisty barn.
to it. You don't have to pull the injectors out. You know that, right? And you know you gotta take these vent lines off the bottom of the throttle body, right?
I understand.
Make sure my child knows what we're supposed to be doing.
This guy.
Those steam lines right there. See them? The blue line and the rubber one on black rubber one on the other side? What are you waiting on?
Wait on you.
I can't do the, I gotta do the intake one. The
Where's your little hook thing that was up here?
hook thing.
Where's your hook?
What do you need the hook for? It'll come right off.
You sure about that?
It's only been on there like 1,000 miles. Dude, what are you doing?
You want it off or not?
That's the PCV valve. It's already out of the valve cover right here.
That's
buddy.
gonna come off right here off the heads, bruh.
Buddy, look right here.
I know, I gotta take this off, I gotta take this off.
You don't
I gotta
have to take that one off. I took it off the other night without doing that. Watch me.
The
Watch
intake
me.
has to.
Watch me.
Well, I wasn't taking it off on that end, I was taking it off on this end, but whatever you floats your boat, pal.
I hate it when mom and dad fight.
You gonna stand here and watch me?
Yeah, I can't do what I gotta do because I gotta do it from the top side. So I'm gonna stand here and supervise you.
I'm your supervisor. You got blue because you're a race car driver.
I went blue because that's what I had in my toolbox.
Blue because I'm fast. Ka-choo.
Ka-chow.
Oh crap, that ain't coming off. Where's your hook? Isn't it past that kid's bedtime?
It normally comes in at 10 o'clock. And then we don't hear from him
You need
again.
to put an oil catch can on the thing.
Dude, we're putting heads on.
I've got one.
I don't need an oil catch can.
Alright, ready?
Oh.
It's still hooked up.
Hang on, the cam sensor is stuck in the injector.
Alright.
Oh, let me get this massively heavy plastic intake. Oh, look, I can carry it easily.
You're running knots on this thing.
Am I?
What's he doing?
All motor. Mm-hmm.
All motor steam lines right there.
This thing's nasty.
Give me a flashlight real quick.
Hey, let me tell you what. If you ain't cheating, you ain't trying.
Give me a flashlight real quick.
Not bad. Oh, he's that one. That's not bad.
How's that middle one? That's got a bunch of dang coil around it or something, doesn't it?
No, these gaskets. Or the piece, that's what I say you need a oil catch can.
Don, you ever thought about getting a stand for your home?
It keeps the oil from going back into your engine.
Yeah, I do. It's called you.
Okay.
Honestly, look, your valves and everything look good.
Why is there so much? That's got to be water.
Oh, look right there.
What, water?
No, it's gas. Never mind.
What is that green stuff?
It's oil.
Why is it there?
Because you have an oil leak somewhere up y'all.
I got bad valve seals, I know that.
Set off your hands first. I'm gonna ratchet over this.
I mean, let me do it.
I got it. I'm already here. Give me the
I
thing.
want my tool to look like a run to jump Arthur. Hey, look, you don't have to take the valve. Yeah, there you go.
Hacker voice. Said hacker voice. I'm in.
You know, it doesn't matter if I drop that socket down the
Well, it
Okay.
kind of does.
Not because I'm taking them off.
So, if you think you have a bad head gasket and you don't want to tear it all the way down to check, just pop your valve cover. If you're all frothy and looking like soggy peanut butter or caramel, that's your number one clue that you've got a bad head gasket. Good thing is we drained the oil out of here before all the oil looked like this. Mmm, delicious.
Let me see it.
So we got the rocker assemblies out of here. These are obviously the push rods. When you're taking something apart like this and you're not going to buy all new stuff, it's really important that you keep it all in line in the same way so that it goes back in, so that these rods go back with that particular lifter it was pushing on, so on and so forth. You want to make sure the lifters stay with the same loads they've been riding on in the camshaft. So we're going to take these out. We've got a cardboard box over there. We're going to label it front to back and put each push rod for each cylinder, or the 2 push rods for each cylinder, in order with their particular set of rockers so that everything stays in line like it needs to.
That mobile one full synthetic, brother.
We need 16 of these, right?
Technically 32.
Well, on this one side.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, this was been a little. I got that on video.
16.
Oh, your face.
I like the box folding over. That's a little better than last time I did it. I think we got too many holes, to be honest.
Because you was actually really 8.
I don't know where I got 32. I was doing a dual overhead.
You're thinking of valve.
Well, there should still be. What kind of math? We're smoking crack out here or something.
You are. Something's wrong, but it's alright.
Why is my math not mathing?
Intake exhaust.
Because I was doing 4 cylinder, not
Intake
2
exhaust.
cylinder. I was building a Hemi, boy. That's what I was doing. I was building a Hemi, not a small block Chevrolet.
Alright. When I get 10mm, I'll get these steam vent lines and you can do
I'm gonna zoom in on why his map wasn't matching. See that Chevrolet logo on the side? Not a very intelligent man.
Man, spoken from a Ford guy.
Alright, can someone get me a rag and a 10mm? And a turkey sandwich?
Spoken from a Ford guy that likes to launch spark plugs into orbit.
I own a Toyota. I don't have to work on my stuff.
Yet. So I leave the drain plug out one night.
Sad part is if that happens, now it's caught on camera. We got evidence.
10mm.
Dude, you had a 10 mil.
You took it away.
I didn't take it away.
Yeah, you did.
Bro.
Is this a 10mm? Oh, yeah, it is.
Kids these days, man. I tell you what.
Man, what is she doing to your child?
1, 2.
Dalton, do you know how to count, bud?
Maybe it's too close together. John Michael, why are we taking? We're not taking the lifter valley out. You don't have to take
You're
the
gonna have to
valley out.
reseal around it anyway.
You don't.
Yeah, you will, because
You don't.
got a breath, girl? You're here helping barking.
Well, I do feel good about the crosshatcher still being in the cylinder. That makes me feel a lot better. Means this thing might actually have only had 60,000 miles on it. Unfortunate. When you're doing stuff like this, probably one of the more time-consuming things, if you don't know what size bolts they are, is finding the right combination of socket and extension to get your power tool around all the parts to get it out. Come to daddy. Oh no. John, can you move this box so I can put this other head up here?
Hey.
100% right, by the way. Both of us. So, both of them are red?
No, so wait. Put it down. I'll show you what I'm talking about.
Just that gap in between the cylinders.
Yeah, and see how it's washing the top? Where did the other head go?
Yeah. It's on the bottom of the head. I'll put it on this
Oh, did you?
side.
Yeah, so come here, look. You see how it's washing the top of the cylinder just a little bit?
Yep.
It's seeping through.
And if you do 8 of them that way, that's enough to notice a leak in about 2 weeks.
All right, so talk to me, John. What we got going on here?
What we had here is Dalton bought some pretty cheap head
I
gaskets.
didn't ever take these heads off. This is factory.
Really? Well, I mean, if it lasted that long. Let's see, here it's
So-
rusted through the water jacket.
All your water jackets
So it's
that
leaking
aren't
into the
supposed
cylinder.
to be water jackets on here. Oh, hey, winner!
Ding, 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 ding.
All right,
See that?
That is your bad head gasket. Coolant, lifter valley.
Also, did you see that right here?
Oh, that makes me feel really good about tearing it down because it means it wasn't for nothing. All right, so constantly checking your oil every now and then and watching your temp gauge can save you from totally wrecking your
LS
bearings,
motor.
your LS motor, and your bearings. It's kind of late.
Love the
Cool.
pause.
All right.